Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you some powerful affirmations that can help you become rich in 2023. Affirmations are a great way to reprogram your subconscious mind and attract abundance into your life. So, let's get started. Affirmation 1: I am worthy of wealth and abundance. Repeat this affirmation every day to remind yourself that you are worthy of financial success. Believe that you deserve to be rich and abundance will flow into your life. Affirmation 2: Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. This affirmation helps to remove any limiting beliefs around money and opens you up to receiving abundance. Visualize money flowing to you easily and effortlessly, and believe that it is possible. Affirmation 3: I am grateful for the abundance in my life. Gratitude is a powerful tool for attracting more abundance into your life. Take a moment every day to express gratitude for the abundance that you already have, and you will attract even more into your life. Affirmation 4: I am a magnet for wealth and success. Use this affirmation to affirm your belief in your ability to attract wealth and success. Believe that you are a magnet for these things and watch as they come into your life. Affirmation 5: I am living my dream life, filled with abundance and prosperity. Use this affirmation to visualize your dream life, filled with all the abundance and prosperity that you desire. Believe that this life is possible for you and take inspired action towards achieving it. To incorporate these affirmations into your daily routine, write them down, say them out loud, and visualize the abundance you desire. By consistently using these affirmations, you will begin to shift your mindset and attract the wealth and success you deserve. It's important to remember that becoming rich requires more than just affirmations. It also takes action, hard work, and a willingness to learn and grow. But by incorporating these powerful affirmations into your daily routine, you can create a positive mindset and attract the abundance you desire. So, start using these affirmations today and see how they can transform your life in 2023. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.